bit of breakfast.
Smash that like button. Woo!
Like and subscribe.
Here we go, leaving our apartment block. We can come back for 11. We have the room until 11. And there we are. That's how we get in and out. El Cid. The morning after the night before. It's a bit quieter this morning. The sign was hidden yesterday behind hundreds of people having professional photos taken. A little bit different this morning. A bit of breakfast. Another gate. We're at the castle site above Burgos. So this is looking at Burgos as a city. It's the massive cathedral. And we have a stork. It's a dull day, but wow, what a vista. You get 175,000 in this town, and look at that connection to the outside, straight away into fields. When you don't have a garden. Just look at all these carvings. Sometimes these things are a bit overwhelming. When your stonework can't be weathered, it survives. Incredible. And they take you out into the cloisters. Wow, cloisters with stained glass. Pictures of all the bishops and other dignitaries, I assume. This is our hotel entrance. We're on the 7th floor. cutting through town to get back on the trail. Yeah, I think they're following us. There's another stork. Not sure if that is a hotel or a conference centre. It's a huge building. I was going to get water. And you guys, you're having a drink. Over a bridge, going over the river for the first time. There are millions of figurines all throughout the city, but we're on our way out of Burgos. In a bus shelter, hiding from the rain. The locals all carry umbrellas. More artwork. Loads of it. And here's our tree-covered exit from Burgos. We have formally left Burgos. It's getting very dark, so we've got our waterproofs on just in case. This tiny village, this looks like infrastructure put in early before they expand. Ooh, it's raining again. Okay, let's see on this one. Get a little way in. Cacao! Oh, that's good. Under the railway. And then up to the spaghetti junction of roads. We're sort of being chased by this storm. You can see the rain. So we've got an hour of walking to go and we should be okay, hopefully. The path has moved a bit with all these new road developments that they've had in this part of northern Spain. So we go over and then we follow beside the dual carriageway, and then I think we cross it again. This is what we're walking around. A whole new development. This tiny underpass has got 2 Camino signs on it. Third one's covered over with graffiti, but this should be all right. Cacao! One of the new motorways that's been put in. Over the lovely river. Look at that. Travelling quite fast. Day 12. A half day. We spent the morning in Burgos, visiting particularly the cathedral. You could spend a day there. It's huge, it's overwhelming. It's definitely worth a visit. And then after lunch, we're just walking 10-11 kilometers to the next relatively major village. And in that time we've been, as you can tell from what I'm wearing, we've been having storms. No, that's unfair. Having rain go over the top and listen to thunder in the distance. So we don't have too much further to go. So we've done pretty much everything. So not much of the day to see. But let's see where it does take us. So, this is our room. Just got in time. Heavens have opened. And these are the excellent toilets, showers, basins.
Smash that like button. Woo!
Like and subscribe.